Hey guys, today I'm going to review the Stouffers Creative Comfort Honey Chipotle Chicken. This juicy white meat chicken and honey chipotle barbecue sauce, served with a cheddar cheese potato bake. It sounds pretty good. Let's get the nutrition facts. 350 calories, 33% sodium, 13 grams of sugar. There we go. And here's here's how you prep it. Takes 6 minutes. Alright, let's go ahead and try it out. Here's what it looks like. I bet the cheese potato bake is pretty good. I'm gonna try the honey chipotle chicken first. Get some barbecue on there. It's not that bad. It's not hot either. It says it's medium, so yeah, it's not hot. It's pretty good. It tastes like a honey barbecue. Let's try the cheese potato bake. It's a little piece of potato with cheese and breadcrumbs. Yeah, it's pretty good. I wish it was a little bit more chicken there, but you know, whatever. Um, I'm gonna give this I'm gonna give it a 4.5 out of 5. It's pretty good. You know, it's not quite there at a 5, but I'm gonna give it a 4.5. Um, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I believe this is new. I haven't seen it before, so I believe it's new. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I'll catch you later. Alright, I'm out.